ठीक है, today we'll discuss parasitology. ठीक है, I'll go a little fast today. Out of wow, amazing. ठीक है, इसमें parasite section में I'll be discussing with you today malaria, protozoal disease. ठीक है, one of the this thing nematodes में से I'll discuss filarial. I'll discuss filariasis, lymphatic filariasis through nematodes, and one more thing I'll discuss with you, which is visceral leishmaniasis. They are hemoflagellates. Okay, these are all parasites. Just remember, this is the general classification of parasites. We are not discussing everything. We are just discussing 3 things today. Okay, what is malaria? It's a protozoal disease, right? Caused to humans. What is the classic triad of malaria? Fever, splenomegaly, and anemia. Okay, whenever you see these 3 things in the question, with the history of mosquito bite, you can consider it. What is the life cycle of malarial parasite? What is the name of the parasite? Protozoa, Plasmodium. What are the known species? Vivax falciparum, oval, malaria, and last one, Knowlesi. Okay. What happens? Pathophysiology and everything we'll discuss in lecture. Here I'll just tell you briefly how life cycle takes place. Can you see in the diagram sporozoites? Where are these sporozoites coming from? Section 1 here. Sporozoites are coming from mosquitoes. They are entering the bloodstream through bite, mosquito bite to the human. Where is this going? This is human blood vessel. From there it will go where? Liver. From there it will go again to RBCs. Okay, in RBCs what will happen? They will undergo different stages. Okay, you have to remember the stages. This is sporozoid, then in liver it becomes hypnozoite and then merozoite. Merozoite again goes to the RBC. Then in RBC it's converted into gametocytes. What are gametocytes? They are sexual forms of this parasite. These are taken up by again mosquito by bite. Okay. Then what happens in mosquito? In mosquito, fertilization takes place. Gametes are fused, ookinete, oocyst, and then again sporozoites are released. They are again released through what? Again bite to the person. This is the cycle. Okay. How will you diagnose? What is the sample you will take for malaria? Blood sample. Blood sample, you will perform peripheral blood smear. There are 2 types, thin and thick smear. Thin smear is used for speciation. Okay, speciation kaise karenge? Based on its stages and its morphology. Thick smear is sensitive. It will tell you the number of infected RBCs. Okay, that is what you use the thick smear for. Then you use thin smear for speciation. How will you see them? This is how it will look. See, the first stage, early trophozoite stage, all of them are having ring-like structure. You see, this is nucleus, red thing. This is red colored, this is nucleus. Then this is cytoplasm, and inside it the vacuole. This is common for all early trophozoite stage, for all species, right? Vivax falciparum and malaria and oval. But what is the difference in falciparum? They appear in multiple form. Okay, multiple rings within the RBC known as acole form. Okay, this is the difference for falciparum. What is another difference? In late trophozoite stage, they take up the amoeboid-like structure. Only different thing here, band form in Plasmodium malariae. Okay, this much understood? Then what will happen? Schizons. Schizons are just the number of schizons within the RBCs. They will later rupture. You can differentiate this based on the number present within it. Okay. Then female gametocyte and male gametocyte. All are nearly spherical except falciparum. It has banana shaped structure. And what are these dots inside it? These are all pigments because this plasmodium, it feeds on what? Hemoglobin. Okay, so these are all pigments, hematine and all, they fuse with it and they form these pigments. So these pigments, they also have different names. Okay? For example, falciparum, it is known as Maurer spot. Okay, so there are different names for all these pigments also, but this is how you have to differentiate in thin smear. Just take a look at falciparum, it's little distinguished. You can tell by the look. It has Acol form within the RBC, banana shaped female gametocyte, macrogametocyte, okay? And here band form in Plasmodium malari. What else you can do? You can go for fluorescence microscopy or you can go for quantitative Buffy coat examination. In quantitative Buffy coat examination, you take the blood sample and coat it with acridin inside a cylindrical tube. And when you shake it, it will settle according to its density. So, सबसे नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? Like RBCs, then WBCs, then infected RBCs, like that. Okay? So, when you see it, these parasitized RBC will appear as brilliant green dots. Here they have shown the crescent shaped gametocytes. ये banana shaped gametocyte दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? Can you see it? This is in Buffy coat examination. This picture is not very clear, but they are ring forms of Plasmodium falciparum. Okay? So two things, peripheral blood smear, Buffy coat examination. What else can you do? You can do antigen detection. Through what? Immunochromatographic tests, lateral flow assay. इसमें falciparum के लिए specific antigen होता है histidine rich protein 2. Okay, this is specific for falciparum. And then to detect pan-malarial antigen, it means all the species, you can go for LDH or aldolase. Okay, these are all antigens you can detect. Then you can do culture. What is it? Roswell Park Memorial Institute के नाम से है. Roswell Park Memorial Institute 1640 medium. It is generally used to grow these plasmodium and collect the antigen from them. Okay? For vaccination and all, everything. Then you can go for molecular diagnosis. PCR you can do. What are all the things we discussed? First is peripheral blood smear, then Buffy coat examination, then antigen detection, then PCR. Okay? Culture you can do, but it's not routinely done. What else? Non-specific tests. CBC में क्या दिखेगा? कम हो जाएगा, anemia. Okay, that I told you in the beginning. See, this is how the thin film and thick film of the blood smear look. This is just the droplet. This is, it was slide over by taking another slide. So you make a feathery film so that you can see distinguished RBCs, right? They are not on top of each other so that you could speciate them. You can see within the RBC. What are the stains we are using? Romanovsky stains such as Leishman, Giemsa, Jaswant Bhattacharya stain, Fields or Wright stains. This will be all taught in pathology properly, okay? What is the advantage of thick smear? Since it's a thick smear, you are taking a lot of blood sample on the slide. You cannot miss a parasite. If it's a thin smear, there is a chance you might miss a parasite, okay? That is the advantage. You can do the quantification of parasitemia, how many parasites are there. And you can also demonstrate the malarial pigments, okay? But what are the disadvantages? You need expertise, you need labor, right? What is this? This is just the zoomed appearance. This is ring form, amoeboid form, which is late trophozoite form. Then this schizont, this gametocyte, this. How to differentiate between these two? This will be little smaller, this will be little larger. This is macro, this is micro, okay? Female ones, macro. Male ones, micro. Understood? Okay, during antigen detection, since you are performing lateral flow assay, what will you see first? You will see if the control test is visible. If it is not visible, then the test is invalid. You have to check the expiry of the kit. You have to see if the product is proper. So when you see the control test is control band is coming, then you can check for the test. Sometimes it is anti-falciparum antibody you can find, sometimes anti-malarial, all species, not specific for the falciparum. Sometimes it is mixed infection. Both of them are there. Okay? Okay, that was about malaria. किसी को हुआ है malaria? What is this? Visceral leishmaniasis. What is the Indian name for this disease? What are we discussing? This is another disease, okay? This is a hemoflagellate. Okay, a protozoa that is found within the blood. Also found within the blood, but it is flagellated, right? Flagellated how? Has this flagellum, दिख रहा है इसमें? Okay. So, what is the name of this disease in Hindi? Also known as? Also known as Kala Azar. Okay? Kala Azar. Why is it known as visceral? Visceral because affecting the viscera, spleen, bone marrow, liver. Okay? Leishmaniasis. Why leishmaniasis? What is the causative agent? Causative agent Leishmania donovani. Naam kaise pada? There was a man by the name of Leishman and there was a man by the name of Donovan. Both of them were in India. Both of them diagnosed the same disease in the same year in different cities. One in Kolkata, one in Chennai. Okay, उसके हिसाब से नाम दे दिया गया Leishmania donovani. So this thing was invented in India. Not invented, discovered. What is the difference in invention and discovery? Invention is something to create. Discovery is that is something already exists and you're just finding it, right? So, what happens? How does it infect? Just remember about the two stages. There are actually 4 stages to this parasite: amastigote, promastigote, epimastigote, and trepomastigote. From that, you just remember 2. You remember amastigote and promastigotes. Can you see here? This is human stage and this is sandfly stage. What was the vector in malaria? Vector. Mosquito. Here the mosquito, here the vector is sandfly. Okay, so when the sandfly bites, it is carrying promastigote. Okay. What does promastigote has? It has this flagellum. So promastigote goes to the skin macrophages. What will happen next? These promastigote will convert into diagnostic form called as amastigotes. Amastigote do not have flagellum. Okay. The flagellum which is contained within the body of the amastigote is known as exonym. उसको भी नाम है, ठीक है? Exonym. So this is the human stage. What was the infective form? Promastigote. What is the diagnostic form? What do you mean by diagnostic form? You can see this form in the blood, in the human blood. That is amastigote. Okay. What will happen when sandfly again is biting an infected person? It will take up through blood meal. It will take up amastigotes, and this undergoes staging within sandfly's midgut into promastigote. amastigote उठाया ना इंसान से, फिर ठीक है, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है, you will understand. किसको नहीं समझा? What is the infective form? Promastigote. What is the diagnostic form? Amastigote. Okay. What can you see here? all these cutaneous lesions and all. This is cutaneous, it also has cutaneous form. Okay, but we'll discuss about visceral leishmaniasis. What is the pentad for this leishmaniasis? Fever आ सकता है, right? Fever, weight loss, hepatosplenomegaly. What else can you see? You can see hyperpigmentation. Can you see it here in the picture number F? अच्छा, ये जो दिख रहा है in B, this thing is promastigote, and this thing here it is this is amastigote within the macrophage. Okay. How will you do the laboratory diagnosis? What will you take? Again, you can take blood smear in HIV patients, but generally what you take, most sensitive is splenic aspiration in the spleen. Why spleen? Why did I tell you about spleen? We are discussing visceral leishmaniasis. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? It is affecting what system? Reticuloendothelial system, bone marrow, spleen, etc. इसको क्यों बोलते हैं reticuloendothelial system? They have monocytes. मोनोसाइट्स होते हैं. स्किन के मोनोसाइट का नाम क्या है? सही बोला? क्या बोला? और अच्छा नाम बताओ. लैंगरहैंस सेल. गुड. और एक लैंगरहैंस सेल कहाँ होता है? ठीक है. फिर स्प्लेनिक एस्पिरेशन ले सकता है, मोस्ट सेंसिटिव, बट मोस्ट कॉमनली क्या प्रेफर करता है? विच इज इजी टू एक्वायर? Bone marrow. ठीक है. You can also take lymph node aspiration, you can do liver biopsy, and in HIV infected patients you will take PBS. See, this is the form I told you about. This thing here, it's axoneme. What is this? Nucleus. And this small thing here, it is kinetoplast. How will you culture this? Again, why are we culturing these things, these parasites? To identify the species and for drug sensitivity. How will you culture? What is the name? Novi McNeil Nicole. ऐसा नाम क्यों है? Because these people created it, made it. Okay. What does it have? It has basic blood agar plus aspirate, cutaneous aspirate from the patients that provides nutrition for these flagellates to grow. Okay. What else you can do? Again, common antibody detection you can do through ELISA, IFA, and again you can do antigen detection through ICTs. This thing is very common in all the microbes, whatever you are studying. What things are antigen, antibody, ELISA, PCR. ठीक है, ये याद रख के चलना. What is this form? क्यों बोला promastigote? Because it has flagellum. Okay. And this is the blood color. This is the medium, NNN medium. Antigen detection you are doing. You are doing PCR. There is something called as Leishmanin test. कैसे करते हैं इसको? You inject the antigen into patient. Okay, what will happen in 24 hours? Induration will form. More than 5 mm means बातें मत करो, नहीं तो बाहर जाओ. Why are you looking into his phone? What will you do? Inject antigen in patient's skin, intradermal test. What will happen? Induration of more than 5 mm. It indicates positive test. What fast हो रहा है क्या? Not getting anything? What are the non-specific tests you can do? What will you see in CBC? Pancytopenia. Since bone marrow is infected, what will you see? All the cell count will go down, है ना? And then hypergammaglobulinemia means hyperexcitation of the immune system. What is the animal used for inoculation here? golden hamster. What is this? Have you seen filaria ka patient? Is it common in India? Not common. What is the vector? Culex mosquito and which other mosquito? What are the other diseases caused by Aedes mosquito? Huh? Dengue and? Or? Very good. और एक रह गया ना? Yellow fever, right? So Aedes gives you what? Filariasis, dengue, yellow fever and chikungunya. ठीक है? What happens? Why is it known as lymphatic filariasis? Because it's infecting lymphatic system. What happens in lymphatic system? It will cause lymphangitis, lymphadenitis, all those things, and then occlusion of the lymph system, which is why you see this edema. Okay, what is the infective form here? Since it's a nematode, you might expect an egg, but there is no egg here. There is only a adult form and a larval form. ठीक है? इसमें दो चीज़ें तुम्हें याद रखनी है, एक L1 larvae and L3 larvae. Okay, microfilaria. And which one of it, which cycle is taking place in which person, which vector or person? Sexual cycle here takes place in a man. Okay. Malaria में क्या हो रहा था? Sexual in mosquito. Okay. Here it's taking place in a man. Do you understand molting? Give me one very common example you see in the environment. इधर campus में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या घूम रहा है आजकल? हैं? Dogs undergo molting. My God. Hey, don't you laugh about butterfly. What is this thing here? Mosha. In Bangla, machhar is mosha. Okay, so mosha is sitting on what? Skin. What is it doing? Enjoying its lunch. Then what will it do? What does this mosha have? It has L3 larvae. This L3 larvae will go where? In human, in lymphatics. What will happen? They will form sheath microfilaria and reach the bloodstream. In bloodstream, again, this mosquito is taking a blood meal and it is taking up the microfilaria. Here you can see this thing. This is infective stage, and this thing, that's the sheath microfilaria, this is diagnostic stage. What do I mean by diagnostic? This is found where? In blood. So, when my mosquito is taking up the blood meal again, it will take up this microfilaria, and this microfilaria undergoes molting. From L1 form, it is transformed to which form? L3 form. What do you mean by L3 form? It is undergoing molting twice. Okay, that's the difference. L1, then L2, L3. Okay. So, then again, they will migrate to mosquitoes proboscis. This was where? In midgut. From midgut, they migrate to thoracic muscles. So, again, when this mosquito is biting, this will give you L3 larva. It is taking which form? L1. Giving which form? L3. Okay. How will you demonstrate? इसके पहले के हिसाब से क्या आना चाहिए आगे और? एक आना चाहिए एंटीजन एंटीबॉडी डिटेक्शन, एक PCR, ठीक है, और नॉन स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट. बट यहाँ पे PBS में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? Which form was the diagnostic form? Microfilaria, है ना? What is the causative organism? Wuchereria bancrofti. Wuchereria bancrofti और Brugia malai कॉमन है. इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? Bancrofti का जो टेल होता है इट इज पॉइंटेड एंड उसमें न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता, और मलाई का जो टेल टिप होता है वो ब्लंट होता है और उसमें न्यूक्लियस एक्सटेंडेड होता है, ठीक है. This one is which? You can see this pointed plus no nucleus. ये क्या है? Which stain is it? GMSA stain. इसमें जो भी न्यूक्लियस मटेरियल रहेगा वो ब्लू कलर का रहेगा और साइटोप्लाज्मिक मटेरियल जो रहेगा वो पिंक कलर का रहेगा, ठीक है. What can you see here? This is blunted, right? You can see it's blunted and there is no nucleus here. So this is Bruguier and this is pointed and absent. Similar to this. Again, antigen detection, antibody detection and PCR. Since it's doing its work on the skin, you can expect elevated IgE because it's a filaria, also known as eosinophilia. Okay? And what can you do? Imaging methods. Filarial dance sign and USG. You can Google this later on YouTube, okay? If you want to see a filarial dance. Okay? This is the difference. In Wuchereria, Bancrofti and Malai. But mainly just remember this. Also, when there is absence of these filaria in the blood, it does not mean that there is no disease because their release in the bloodstream also depends. It's sometimes nocturnal, sometimes diurnal. Okay, so how do we stimulate this thing? We give them something. What do we give them? Diethyl carbamazine. DEC test बोलते हैं इसको, ठीक है. After giving this medication, within 1 hour you can collect the blood sample and you will find these microfilarias in the blood sample. Okay? ठीक है. क्या चीज़ें पढ़ाई मैंने आज? Malaria and leishmania and lymphatic filariasis. Okay. What is the causative agent of Kala-Azar? What is the other name for Kala-Azar? Other than that? Black fever. Okay. What is the causative agent for filariasis? What is the vector for filariasis? Vector. Common in India is Aedes, but its most commonly known vector is Culex. Okay. What else? What other diseases are caused by Aedes mosquito? Dengue, chikungunya and yellow fever. Okay. Okay. Where is the sexual cycle taking place in malaria? Where is the sexual cycle taking place in filaria? Where does the Wuchereria undergo molting? In mosquito. Okay. What is the diagnostic form? L1 microphyly. Okay. What is the diagnostic form in leishmania? हाँ पकड़ो मारो उसको, बता नहीं पा रहा है. Very good. क्या? What is the diagnostic form? A mastigote. A something नहीं. or what was the infector form? Promastigote. What are the other two stages? Amastigote, promastigote, epimastigote, tripomastigote. What is the difference? What is the difference? What is the difference? ये क्या है? कौन बोला प्रोमास्टिगोट? वेरी बैड. प्रोमास्टिगोट को फ्लैजेलम है ना. एमास्टिगोट ए से याद रखो एब्सेंट. देन दिस एपीमास्टिगोट बिकॉज सेंटर से ये फ्लैजेलम निकल के जा रहा है. ओके. एंड ट्रीपो बिकॉज just remember this is the sequence, right? This is exonym. Sequentially it became flagellum. Okay, then in the center, then at the back, that is tryposome, but it has undulating flagellated membrane like this. Okay, easy to remember. ये चीज क्या है? Along with the nucleus there is kinetoplast. ठीक है? This was about which disease? Leishmania. Okay. ठीक है.